Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Welcome to this guide on playing Geometry Dash on your laptop. First, let's ensure your system is ready. Geometry Dash is a rhythm-based platformer that requires minimal specifications, typically a processor from the early 2000s, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a graphics card with 128 megabytes of video memory. A reliable internet connection is also key for exploring the vast community-created content. Once you're ready, the next step is installation. You can purchase and download Geometry Dash from popular digital game stores. The download size is relatively small, often less than 100 megabytes, making it a quick process. After downloading, simply follow the on-screen prompts to install the game. It usually takes less than 5 minutes. Always verify your game files afterward to ensure everything is set up correctly. To master Claudette, always prioritize healing. Use empathy to locate injured allies and heal them swiftly with botany knowledge. When not healing, focus on generator progress, utilizing her natural stealth to remain hidden. Always be mindful of the killer's terror radius and line of sight. Positioning yourself strategically, perhaps behind cover or in tall grass, will help you avoid detection and continue your supportive role effectively throughout the match. To truly master Geometry Dash, start slow. There are many user-created levels, ranging from easy to extremely difficult. Begin with levels rated easy or normal to develop your reflexes. Practice mode is your best friend. It allows you to place checkpoints and retry difficult segments repeatedly. Don't forget to personalize your game by choosing from over 150 icons and 20 different colors to make your cube unique.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.